our Prophet predicted that of the signs of the Day of Judgment, يَظْهَرُ الْفَحْشَ وَالتَّفَحُّشِ, that immorality would become prevalent. And fahsh and tafahush means nudity, it means sexual licentiousness. All of this has been predicted by our Prophet ﷺ. Our Prophet ﷺ said that there will be two groups from my ummah. I haven't seen them yet, they will come towards the end of time. One of them was nisa'un kasiyatun ariyat ma'ilatun mumilat, that women who are clothed and yet they are naked. They are dressed but they're not dressed properly, right? And this is exactly what we see in the world around us. And again, all you need to do is go even look at the TV shows, if you like, that this country produced in the 40s and 50s. And what is depicted of a woman? Modestly dressed. The interaction is modest. Now, fast forward, and wallahi, what is on public television is too embarrassing for a family man to watch with his own children. What is on public television is worse than what was on cable even 10 years ago. This is the reality of what we're seeing. And so it's not just a decline of morality only in the Muslim lands. Around the globe, our Prophet ﷺ said that zina will become rampant. And this is something, again, my dear brothers and sisters, that 50 years ago, 100 years ago, it was unheard of for a respectable lady, a respectable man of a middle class, upper middle class family to engage in premarital intercourse. It was taboo even in this land. They waited until marriage. This is in this land. How about now, where it is abnormal for a young man and woman of this country not to sleep with one another? It's abnormal. The statistics are shocking. 80 to 90% of our college students are now involved in these fahish. And this is something unheard of 1 generation ago, much less 2-3 generations ago, was non-existent. And this is something we see it coming in front of our eyes, as our Prophet ﷺ predicted. Public nudity,